What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ron and this is MotorTube. I hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. If you are not having a great day, then hopefully this video brightens up your day. But today we are heading to the shop to check on the GT500. The GT500 has literally been at the shop for about 6 days. It's been there for 6 days getting a bunch of done. Literally, the car got off the trailer from getting shipped from Los Angeles, and basically the next day I took it straight to the shop and it's been there ever since. Man, the interior is absolutely dirty. We definitely gotta get Nick to clean the interior. Okay, one pull won't hurt. Passing the Chevy dealership definitely makes me think, like, will I ever own a Chevy? I feel like I've owned everything but a Chevy. So if I was to buy a Chevy, which one you guys think I'd look good in? All right. Look how dirty this truck is. It might not look dirty on camera, but it's disgusting. Like, look at the steps right here. It's literally like mud. I mean, it is, wow. But that's how the truck looks during winter. So we got this F-150 and all the airbags are on. So this is the first time me seeing like where the airbags come from. So I guess you have like front airbags and then you have the side ones. So let me show you guys. Basically the headliner gets squished like this and then the airbag comes down. And that's kind of what happened here. So I'm wondering if you have to get a new headliner after, or is it okay? It's weird. How come this is out but not this? Unless they replaced it. How are you, Nick?
Good, how are you, brother? Damn, up close and personal, gosh damn it.
So back to the GT500, and I need your opinion on something. So the wheels are getting repainted. They're matte black right now, and I think the dealership stained it because they just look stained, okay? I don't know why they're stained. I feel like they used some product that ruined them. And look, they're not even dirty, but like they look like white. So they're stained. Like they even stained the brake. So we're repainting this satin black. But as far as the wheels, I'm thinking either satin black or gloss black. So MC Whips painted these gloss black and they look amazing. So this is how they would look gloss black. They did my red eye satin black, so I know the satin black looks good, but I don't know what I should do. I need you guys to comment down below. I'm thinking gloss black because the spoiler is gloss black, the deck lid is gloss black, you got the mirrors gloss black, and then the vents on the hood is gloss black. But let me know in the comments below, satin black or gloss black. All right, let me show you guys what we got. So here we got a Coney. Yeah, it doesn't look so appealing, but it tastes good. And here we got some seasoned fries, and now it's time to smash. All right, guys, so now it's time to talk about the car, the reason we are even here. So we are gonna tint the GT500, but there's already tints on it. So what Martin is gonna do is he is gonna remove the tint. And it's not the most fun thing to do because it leaves an adhesive, like, let me show you guys. Like that, that's like all glue right there. We also got the silver TRX that's in to get PPF'd. They're doing this and basically the entire side, the black part. And I just wanna show you guys the interior of this TRX because it's a bit different than what I have. So here it's red, this fake carbon fiber. So this isn't carbon fiber. And then you got red stitching, and then look at this. So there's red over here, and then there's red on the side, and then you got red stitching, but you got like cloth right here. I don't know why they put cloth right here. So this isn't even heated or cooled. These seats are super nice, but they didn't put heated and cool seats, which I don't know why, but the back of them are nice too. Like if you see, they're all red. Pretty cool. Like here, the entire panel's damn near red. So I like these, but they're not heated or cooled. And also mine, where the red is, I have Alcantara and I have heated and cooled seats. Pretty nice TRX, but it's a bummer that it doesn't have the heated and cooled seats. And we got the tan G-Wagon that you guys have been seeing in the previous videos. This thing is pretty much all the way done. he's just working on the roof, and it's a pretty huge roof, so he has to do it in pieces. And you know, Gentian is the man, so he's gonna definitely get it done. And then here are the painted gloss black wheels. They were, I believe, chrome before, so those are gonna get, you know, installed on the G-Wagon, and then it's gonna be out its way to the owner. So now we're removing the front windshield. So basically, the more you heat it up, the less glue it leaves, right?
Not always.
Not always?
Sometimes, because it just makes it softer when you heat it up. So sometimes if you make it too hot, then you leave all the glue, you know what I mean?
Right. But I didn't even think that the front was tinted, because if you just look at it, it doesn't look tinted. But I guess it is.
Whatever they used some good shit.
Yeah. It's blue tint though.
Ceramic.
Ceramic?
Yeah.
How come the colors were different? Is it because this was not as dark?
Yeah.
So Martin is now working on the rear window. Is it leaving a lot of glue?
No, it's not bad.
Is it? Do you think it's because it's good tint? That's why it's not leaving a lot of glue?
Could be.
Could be. So all the tints are off. The side windows, the windshield, the rear window, and also the little side windows. So what do you use to get the glue off? That? A razor. But you can't use a razor on the rear window, right? Because of like these little heat things. I don't know if you guys see them. They're like orange. The defrost. And is it annoying to get the glue off?
No, it's not bad with the razor.
Look at this. This is all the glue, or I guess the adhesive that came off the tint. He literally uses a blade. Look at that. All that. And we got Nick here. And Nick comes and licks it off. So this is like, that's all right. So here is the tint, and we got Martin right here, and he's gonna show us what we got. So what do we got here?
So this box to the left, you got the 15% for the windshield.
Carbon nano ceramic.
Yes, sir. All the goods, and 5 for the rest, straight black.
Okay, so 5 all around, 15 windshield, and I've never done this combo, okay? I usually do 5% all around and 20 on the windshield. So this time, it's gonna be a little extra dark on the windshield.
Lately it's looking like everything perfect. Out the mud with it, I put the work in. You can find me where the turf is. Pin precision like a surgeon. Bad ones used to curb me. Showing up to the show when the curve split. She know that I'm worth it, I'm finna go up, I'm aerial. I got the hit stash, got a bracelet for impact.
All right guys, so it is 12 a.m. and well, it's way past my bedtime. And unfortunately, we have to leave Martin alone to get this done. So make sure you go follow his Instagram at Motor City Tints. But we're gonna say bye to the GT500 for now. We're gonna be back tomorrow. It's gonna be all tinted tomorrow, and we got a couple more things we have to do to the GT500, but that will have to wait until tomorrow. And it is also snowing out here. Look at my truck, literally snow all over it, but we could give it a cold start, so let's hear it. Woo! That sounds good. It barely started because it's on 85, but it sounded really good. But anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, we are here. Look what we got. We got a green ZL1 and then the Shelby, and look how different they look. Like the colors, this looks more yellow than this, but if you just have this by itself, it looks green. And also look at the brakes. So Motor City Whips paint matched the color of the car, and then they painted the brakes. So we are definitely doing something like that for this car. Haven't decided on the color just yet, so that'll be a surprise. But the tints are all done. The PPF is all done, and man, it looks so good. Look at this. It's literally pitch black. So 15% on the front, 5% all around, and look at their job. Wow. I want to see how it is from the front. Oh, not the front, I meant the inside. Wow. So there are So many bright lights here. And look how dark it is. I don't know if this is a bit too dark. Like, I gotta get used to this because I've had nothing but 5% all around and 20% on the front. But this time it's 15%. So we're all set with the tints. Shout out to Motor City Tints for doing an amazing job. They look great. But we still got a few more things we gotta do. So we're gonna come back here and the taillights. So I thought about this a lot. I was thinking maybe Euro lights. There was another type of lights that are like black around here, but like clear right here. But I'm like, you know what? I like the originals and I don't really want to f with them. And plus, if I do Euro lights, I don't think the clear lights are gonna look that good with this spec. So we're just gonna tint them. And we're not gonna do the darkest tint. We're gonna do medium. And then we're also gonna tint the reflectors. There are one here as well hiding and another one there. So we're gonna do that and see how it comes out. I think it's gonna look very clean with, you know, the rest of the car being tinted. Cold start for the TRX. So the TRX is about to get prepped for PPF. So Nick is about to clean it and then they're gonna start with the PPF. And the roof on the G-Wagon is all done. And look how clean this job is. Wow, wow, wow. And here's the difference between medium and dark. I still can't get over how nice this G-Wagon came out. And it is all done. So again, we did medium smoke on the taillights and then on the reflectors, we did dark smoke and it just looks so good. And of course, we did the bottom here as well. You can't see them now because they're super dark. But we left the reverse light the way it is because I'm changing the bulb from yellow to LED. I already got that at home, probably have to install in the next few days. But let me just show you guys what it looks like with the taillights on. So let's do that. All right, they look so good. Like, I think they look perfect. Let me know what you guys think. And shout out to Gentian for tinting the taillights. Shout out to Martin for tinting, you know, the car windows. And man, it is so dark. You cannot see like anything in there. I mean, it literally looks painted and it's super bright in here. But shout out to all of them and shout out to Nick for wearing a green hat to match with the car. Like I appreciate it. Why'd you take it off? You want to revoke your shout out? Well, why put the hat on? It's not like your hair looks good. But anyways, he's gonna get to work because we still gotta do the bumper. But yeah, why are you behind me? Like,
what do you want me to do? Walk in front of the car?
No, but you're like just standing behind me. Anyways, guys, the car is done with what we're doing. We got Johnny here. Hey, Johnny. Johnny up here. I don't know. He's in. Why is everybody standing behind me when I'm filming? But anyways, GT500 is done. Looks great. TRX is about to get PPF'd. And yeah, Mini Cooper getting tinted. G-Wagon is getting ready to leave. And I'm getting ready to let you guys go. So let me know what you guys think of the GT500, all tinted, the taillights tinted. We still got a lot more to do with the car. Like, you have no idea. And Johnny is the guy that's putting everything together. So make sure you guys go, all of us, okay, all of us. I shouted all of them out. So we're a whole team here. I just stand around and look cute with the camera. I don't do nothing. These are the guys that are responsible for everything. Yeah, I'm a good porter. He's giving me a job here. But anyways, guys, make sure to follow Motor City Whips. That's who's responsible for anything on my car. This is the only shop that I go to for everything. Because again, it's a one-stop shop. They do everything here, okay? So follow them and leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace. Actually, before I let you guys go, I want to show you guys this Mini Cooper, okay? This is like the newest Mini Cooper out. So I'm thinking, you know, it has all the cool technology. So look at the brakes. They look like almost 5 piston, maybe 6 piston Brembo brakes. I don't know, it doesn't say Brembo on there, but I don't know, whatever. And here it says it's John Cooper Works. Don't know what that means. You got a little hood vent right here, blacked out Mini Cooper symbol. You got the little halo thing from the G-Wagons. They just stole it, put it on here. And let me show you guys the funniest thing about the Mini Cooper. Everything in here is a circle. So the door handle is a circle. Obviously the steering wheel has to be a circle, but the screen is a circle. I mean, what is this? There's so many circles, like even this, not really a circle, but it just looks so funny. And then it has heads-up display with a little tint on there. I don't know what that means.
20% ceramic.
Yeah, it's a 20% ceramic. I don't know. It's a cool car. Like, I actually don't mind it. Like, it actually is nice. And then you got the double sunroofs. So I think that works on its own. This works on its own, so that's pretty cool. You got some controls right here. I think these are the lights. But I don't know how I feel about this little circle. It kind of looks a little bit funny to me. But let me show you guys the back. So the back, yeah, you have the Rolls Royce doors here. Look, no, this is a Rolls Royce. All you gotta do is this. No, watch. Bam, just opens by itself. And it's actually pretty cool. And they're no longer mini. They're actually getting a little big.
Yeah.
What do you think about it? Would you ever get one?
I get this over a Rolls Royce. No, never.